This mother's violent reaction after not getting her way with the officers instantly became the biggest mistake of her life. On October 1st, 2023, dispatch received a 911 call regarding a child custody dispute. The female suspect was refusing to give her son back to the foster father who had allowed them to meet after the female lost custody of her son due to a prior incarceration.
911 operator 730.
I have a mom taking a child that I have custody of, and I need help because she's getting ready to get into a car and drive off.
You have custody of it, like sole custody?
I have sole custody, yes. And she's getting ready to pull off in the vehicle right now. She's starting the vehicle up right now.
Okay.
And she's driving the engine, and she has them in a car with no car seat. Please. Oh my God.
Son,
daughter? It's a son.
And she's the mother of the child?
Yes.
How did she get your son?
It's her son, but she picked him up from Friday. She picked him up from school Friday for me. I'm trying to make sure she don't leave.
All right, we'll send an officer out.
Calm down. It's okay. It's okay. What's going on?
Don't walk church me like that. I'm in distress.
No, I just didn't want the car to run.
Please don't call a mental place before you run up on me like that. I'm in distress.
Okay, what's
you
going on?
need another help for that. Don't do that, please. I'm begging y'all. Please don't do that.
Don't do what?
Run up on me and
Look
just
at me. I'm standing here with my hands in my
okay.
pockets. All right?
You got that understanding,
okay.
though, right?
Calm down.
I'm calm.
No, you're not. Okay,
he
explain to me what's going on.
I'm calm. I'm calm.
Okay, listen to the officer.
Okay. This officer here?
Yes.
Okay, you know what?
Okay, what's going on?
Okay. So, me and my cousin, okay, here you go right here.
Ma'am, talk to me.
It's fine,
Ma'am,
it's fine.
talk to me.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
I'll tell you what.
No, we all can talk together since we are here.
So what's going on?
Okay. So, I'm good. I'm a mother.
Okay.
First of all. First.
Yes, I understand. You're a mother.
Okay, and that's it. And I'm having a hard time co-parenting with my cousin here, of course, because then you bring back, you see, it's just me and my child. You know what I'm saying? So please don't.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Just making sure
We have to talk. You know what I'm saying? But if y'all wanna do this, y'all can just, you know what I mean?
Listen, I've been able to say about 2 sentences here, okay? Because you haven't been able to explain to me or anything. You keep interrupting me.
I already said I'm in distress already and call somebody that can help me.
Okay, explain to me what that means.
That means that the police does not have no control over this situation.
Okay, I don't even know what the situation is because you haven't been able to explain anything to me. So why don't you take a deep breath, okay, and let's start from the beginning.
Okay.
All right? Because I just got here, and I just got some information from what someone told the dispatcher. I really don't understand. Everyone's safe. I'm not concerned about anything right now. No one's going anywhere. All right? But I need to know why I was brought here. So let me ask you a few questions. This is your son, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how old is he?
5.
5? Okay. Now, explain to me, before anything happened today, what's the custody situation with your son?
The custody situation with my son was that my cousin take care of my son and protect him by all costs until his mother gets out of jail and able to obtain custody herself.
Okay, so there is a court order that's staying this?
No, there was a court order.
There was
a court
order
is closed.
Okay,
this is a wrap.
Okay, so tell me what the court order originally said.
The court order said for me to listen to my cousin.
Okay.
By all means necessary, because
your cousin is this gentleman over here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, let me. So you were in jail at some point, correct?
I was incarcerated.
You were incarcerated at some point, all right? And because of that, your cousin had custody of your child.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Okay. So, who made that decision? Was it Department of Children? No, who made the decision?
No, I made a decision because I asked the courts, can he go with my cousin? Because I trusted my cousin.
So, the court gave your cousin custody of your child?
No.
No.
No one has custody of my child. My child's in the system. Meaning he's up for grabs. If I get in trouble, they're going to take him. If he get in trouble, they're going to take him. So no one's right or wrong here.
Okay,
we don't know because we haven't seen no judge.
Let's stop that because obviously we're talking in two different languages here.
I understand. Okay, because I'm upset.
Why don't you tell me what happened today?
Oh, what happened today? I got up, I took a shower, I got a shower, and we headed to the park.
Okay.
And then
Let me ask you a question. So is staying with you?
No, the whole time, all summer, every day that he's supposed to be with him. I take him to school, I fix him clothes, I buy his food. I got beat up.
Okay, you tell me a bunch of stuff that doesn't really
No,
apply, but
I'm just telling you.
No, let me, because I need to figure this out.
Because I'm upset, that's why. So
yeah,
you keep telling me to calm down. You can't keep. That's why I said, can you call somebody that can negotiate all of our situations so we all leave fair, so no one cause no more commotion.
I'm trying to do that.
This is a hazard.
The female's aggressive demeanor and finicky storytelling were making it difficult for the officers to get a complete grasp of the situation that had unfolded.
Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions again, okay? So, where do you live?
I live at 14 Nadu.
Does live with you?
Yeah,
Okay.
back and forth.
Back and forth.
Joint custody.
So you have joint custody with. How does that work out? Is there certain days that you're
Yeah.
supposed to have him and he's supposed to have him?
Yeah, we agreed with him. He made up everything. Like, I'm just saying yes, because he did me a favor.
Okay.
Let's get an understanding. That's why I'm trying to get this understood so y'all don't pick sides.
Is this documented?
Yeah, everything is documented. That's why I wanted to have a positive conversation.
You have a copy of that document?
Listen, I have a copy of certain documents. I don't have all the documents in the world to prove what I'm saying is right. He don't have no documents to saying that he's right. All I did was take the document that the police asked me for.
Okay. So let's avoid that again. We're talking two different languages, and I don't think we're getting over that. So, with you today. Okay. At which point did you first interact with your cousin today, that caused this whole commotion out?
This morning at 6:45.
Okay. What was that about?
Him picking my son up early.
Okay, so he came to your house, to where you live, and picked up your son earlier than he's supposed to. When is he supposed to pick him up?
At 9:30 p.m. from 14 Native.
So at 9:30 p.m. he's supposed
9:45
to 9:45 p.m. today.
Right now.
Okay.
What time is it?
It's like 8:45. Okay, so but he came over at 6 in the morning. All right, and then what happened then? Did he take your son, or did?
No, because that's what I'm trying to get to. That's what I'm trying to get this understanding, so y'all don't just ram and kill me or hurt me. You know what I mean? Just going off anybody. Sorry, I've been hurt enough. I just got ambushed in my house on Monday while my son was
It's
there.
going to get to the point where I'm not going to listen to you anymore. I'm just going to listen to everything he says.
Okay,
because
well,
you're
you
not
already did that. Where you just
I haven't.
I already put my point. So that's what you're going to do? We got to go to see the judge?
You have not explained anything
I don't have nothing else to say. I got the right to remain silent if I'm
That's
under
fine.
arrest.
Then do that, okay?
I'm
right
under
back.
arrest?
No, I just wait there.
Okay, thank you.
What's going on, man?
So they don't have any documentation on them, so I'm going to call DCFS with the information they gave me on the child to see if there's an open case.
Everybody knows their
They
rights
said
and they don't give a
full
like,
custody,
I give a about
and
my
that,
rights.
she doesn't have custody of him, but they've been letting her see her son because
I
they
don't want
said
to
that
talk
she's
to no
been
more.
doing better, so they gave her permission to see him. But today when they called for her to return the child, she has been kind of evading them, so they had to come here and track her down.
Thank you.
And she's just refusing to get the child. All they want
Oh,
done
so
is to get
I
the child
should have called
back.
kidnapping on him.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, we playing the
So, but
kidnapping game.
so they're saying that
my
DCSF
son's a
decided
rape
who's
victim.
supposed to. There's no
And
court
he
order
kidnapped the
or.
child.
Sergeant's the one that told me because they don't have an actual they
don't
don't
have
have
any paperwork or
documentation
anything?
paperwork on them.
No, I got it
So I
ready.
just told me to just contact DCFS to see if there's an open case on it already, just to verify.
Okay. So, sir, I'm sorry, you have no paperwork, documentation on you at all? They'll help us.
Wasn't
figure this out?
expecting this.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting it. I just don't have it on
I'm
me.
just coming to pick him up as a normal.
Yeah.
Since no one had any paperwork which clarified the custody deal, the officers had to make a call to DCFS, who were able to explain the custody situation with a great deal of clarity.
This is what we're going to do. We're going to take custody of your son.
Yeah.
We're going to go back to the station.
Yeah, and all of us going to wait.
No, your son's going to come with us.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we'll have to figure out, we'll have to have DCSF come out, create a whole new case, and
Yeah.
start over again.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay?
That's
no reason.
agreed. Thank you.
Well, no.
Thank you.
Okay?
Yeah.
Or we can.
Go ahead and grab him.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing. You didn't give me
We're not
another
playing
option.
games.
Bye. You want your stuff, baby?
All right.
Let him. Can he get his stuff, please?
Okay, you want him to go with him?
No.
Well, give me his stuff.
I'm just playing. Where else he gonna go?
We're not
He
playing,
lives
ma'am.
with
Aisha, we're not playing games.
him. Okay. We'll get
Okay?
his stuff. Let Get his stuff. Like, look, this is very disrespectful.
What's his stuff?
He knows his stuff.
Okay.
I just move. He don't have nothing. This man stars my child.
You know what? If you don't give me his stuff, you can keep it.
No. Well, how am I gonna keep it? What does that do for my child?
Well, you're not doing anything for your child.
Okay,
right now.
I'm just asking you.
Maisha?
I'm stressed out. I'm having a hard time.
Explain to her what Department of Child Family Services told you.
Okay, come on. You're gonna be good. You can talk.
Okay, don't walk away, ma'am.
I've got to smoke. I've got to smoke. I'm trying to smoke. Okay. Yeah, I'm telling you, I don't go to your face.
Yeah. It was based on the information that Department got from the Department of Child Family Services.
Watch go with your help, okay? You know what? We're not gonna. Don't worry. Just take him over, walk on the car.
It's okay. She can.
Does he have a backpack?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Can I grab that
all
from?
of his stuff.
Alright, I'll put that from, alright?
Damn. Like, why are y'all doing this to me?
We're not. We're just.
Y'all did. Look.
Where's his backpack?
And he told my son that he not safe. Look how he holding my son.
Where's his backpack?
I'm your angel. I love you, son. Don't fight. Relax. Y'all have a good night.
You too, man.
The female was visibly dissatisfied that the outcome hadn't gone in her favor. Though initially appearing to drive towards the exit, the female turned her U-Haul truck around and accelerated straight towards the foster parents and the officers.
3189.
The incident number is
3189. Oh, hey! Oh! Whoa! 511 officers help, shots fired. The target. Partner, where are you? Get in the car, get in the car!
The incident was also captured on a nearby CCTV. The foster mother was hit by the U-Haul, but she only sustained minor injuries while the officers, child and the foster father, remained unharmed.
Capital Gassy, Target, parking lot, officer details, Gassy, Capital, Target, parking lot, any area, unit coming in on harbor frequency. The unfired.
Okay, get the radio.
Gassy, and then U-Haul,
You all pick up westbound Capital. We're trying to catch up to him.
515 U-Haul pickup truck last seen westbound on Capitol from
Towards
Gassy
Western.
Towards Western. Let me get a backup airship supervisor.
Is that her up there? Flash lights?
Yeah.
You good? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Are you okay, Brian?
I'm good, I'm good.
Capital, towards Gassy, through the Target parking lot, and then U-Haul truck.
Okay, she took her out.
Yeah.
Like, hopefully.
Hopefully she's okay. 511 eastbound channel towards Gaffey Street. Pickup truck is picking up speed.
Did you see Bob? Did you see Bob?
511 is pursuing eastbound channel towards Gassy. Vehicle's picking up speed.
Whoa.
Advised there was a female black driver and one male black passenger.
511 now southbound on Pacific, passing 1st Street. Clear right, clear right.
Evading at high speed, the female was initially able to lose the officers, but eventually one of them caught up to her, just in time to witness a divine intervention.
To the curb. Hey guys, any U-turn coming back at the officers, coming back to Gaffey off of, I believe this is Shepherd here.
Oh! Up there. She's gonna go over the thing there. Oh,
It's actually Paso Del
okay, she's
Mar.
out.
At DC, into the park here, guys. Hold the frequency control, hold the frequency.
I can't see it, airbags are open. We're gonna need to get her out.
Unit Target 56 with the vehicle from Paso Del Mar at Gassy.
Go ahead. Approach on the side. So we'll rest from. You guys stand by. Stand by. Stand by. Go ahead. Approach scene. Go ahead. Stand by. Hey guys, just pull her out and flip her over.
Got it. Let me know when to approach. Go.
Hey, go ahead. Pull her out.
Give me your arm. Come here. On your stomach. Hold on.